going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart. We're at the sublot. We're going to do another walk around for you guys. Let's jump into this. Number one on my list today. We got us a 2012 Cadillac. She's got hail damage. At least that's what it says. And she's got 88,150 miles on the odometer. That's not bad at all, guys. Looks like she's got a little bit of damage back here. Nothing too serious. Paint peel. Probably been a repainted bumper at some point. And, ooh, look at that, though. Ouch. Yeah, that's kind of gnarly right there. That looks like some pretty shoddy body work right there. And same thing on this quarter panel, too. Take a look at this. You see the discoloration here in the paint? And you can see the clear coat peel right here. And you can see the body work that's cracking on the sail panel here. Yeah, she's been wrecked before. Little bit of hail damage. Honestly, though, not too bad. Not too bad, guys. She looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and fire this thing up in a minute. Tires aren't the greatest either. Overall, though, not a bad looking car. Not a bad looking car. Decent tires, but they're not great. Let's take a look at the interior here. All right, not too shabby. Looks decent. Headliner's good. Seats look pretty good too. Door panel's good. Front seat definitely shows a little bit of wear, especially over here on the bolsters. A little bit down there as well. Looks like the key fell out of it here. Let's go ahead and oh, dead as a doornail. Of course. I mean, it wouldn't be a good walk around if we didn't have to jump start something, right? So let's go ahead and pop the hood. We'll get the booster pack out, fire this old girl up. I can't remember what engine is in this. I think this one's actually a 3.0 liter. Most of the Cadillacs had a 3.6. This could be a 3.6, but I keep thinking this is a 3 liter. Let's grab the booster pack here and go ahead and throw a jump on it real fast. See what she does. Probably ought to verify. Why does it have that on the top? What does that even do? Doesn't look like it does anything. All right, so we got positive right there. And we'll put negative over here. Let's give it the juice. All right, here she goes. Moment of truth. There we go. I hear noises. Oh, all right. Are you ready? Of course. Of course. In all fairness, they didn't give you a very good place for a ground right there, guys. Honestly, yeah, I knew that was the problem. Let's throw it on here. I guarantee that's a much better ground right there than what we just had. Should start this time. No, she won't. Uh-oh. All right. Let's try this again. Yeah, she's really having an issue with the ground here. She's not happy. Come on. Let's give her another go. Oh. There we go. There we go. That's what we were looking for right there. Yes. Ha ha. Let's turn off the radio. Gauges look good. She sounds good. She sounds real good. I love this car. I got Jessica with me today. Oh, we're using the new camera. If the video is a little off, forgive me, guys. My first day. It's my first day with the new camera. The Panasonic S5 with a 16 to 35 millimeter S lens. Very, very, very expensive camera and lens combination. And I'm trying it out, man. We're going to see what it does. Maybe we can make this work, maybe not. I'll tell you this, though. There's a battery light right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yep, she's not charging. She's not charging. That's great. All right. She's misfiring a little. Yeah. Okay, so as soon as you put a load on her, she starts acting a little quirky, man. Does the important window work? It does. So we've got an alternator fault. You know, charging system is not functioning properly. No big deal. No big deal. Normally I would check the air conditioning and stuff too, but honestly, guys, it is cold today. Very chilly. I mean, it's 45 degrees, but it's just, we got so much wind out there. It feels absolutely awful. All right, we'll try it out, though. We'll try the air conditioning. I don't even know. How do you... There we go. We'll put it right here. Let's see what she does. Let's give her a little rev. No, as soon as you... Yeah, the AC works. Oh, hell no. She is misfiring really, really bad, guys. Really bad. I'm going to take you out here. I got a feeling this car has got there's more going on with this car than meets the eye, guys. There is. I really like this. And as I was saying, Jessica really likes this car too. Like, she really likes the car, genuinely. But, I mean, I don't know if you could see the engine. She's misfiring right now. Look at that. She is sitting there jumping all over the place. Engine misfire. The charging system is dead. The tires are not very good. And then when you go back here to this shoddy body work all over here, like this. Yeah, I don't know about that, guys. I don't know. Cracking everywhere. All over here as well. Ow, I think that just about cut me. Yeah, I think there's just I think there's more going on with this car than meets the eye. I really do. So for that reason, we're gonna walk away from it and we're gonna move on to something else. Next, we got a 2017 Chevy Malibu with 55,000 miles. Is this the one we saw at another auction? It's listed as a non-runner. I think they may have moved this one from the other auction over here. Remember, the other one was missing the keys and it had a dent. There was a dent back here. Yes. No way. Is this the same one, guys? Oh, I'm going to be dead if it is. Oh, it's got keys. Guys, I see the keys inside of it. Hold on. Hold on. I'm excited because I really like this one. It was a rental vehicle. Well, she sounds like she's got power. Okay. Oh. Wait. No. Here's the key right there. There it is. Let's see if it works. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Stop. Oh. This can't be the same one. No. No, she's... How do I stop it? No. Okay, let's stop. It won't. This is crazy. This car, like, it doesn't want to stop cranking. It's a good looking car though. 55,000 miles. What could be wrong with it? I don't understand. This can't be the same one, guys. Comment below, please, if you recognize this car. I think the other one definitely had a, the other one definitely had a dent in the side. I can't remember if that dent was in the front door or the back door. I really don't remember. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Let's take a look. Oh, it's got spider webs and everything on it too. She's been sitting a while, guys. She's been sitting a while. I'm gonna go ahead and put the hood prop up here. Let's take a closer look. It sounds to me like it's got some serious compression issues. That's what it sounds like. Hey, take a look at this. Look at this. Like, look at the spider webs down here. I don't know if you guys can even see them, but let me zoom you in a little bit. You see that? Right there? Spider webs, man. Yeah. She's been sitting quite a while. What's going on here? Somebody's taking some stuff apart. It's got very low coolant too. Huh. Low coolant, uneven compression. What could possibly cause it? I don't know, guys. Maybe this has got a head gasket issue. Man, what a shame. I don't know. What do you guys think of the Malibus, man? I love these cars. I'll tell you something else. I really love the Chevy Impala. Really miss the Chevy Impala, man. She's such a nice car. This would almost be worth putting a little money into. I don't know, the tires are decent. It's got Firestones. She really doesn't look that bad. I don't know, guys. Comment below. Tell me what you think of the Malibu. I'm going to say no. No, I'm not going to mess with it, but that's okay. Our next car is literally sitting right there. That's right. We got a 2017 Chevy Spark. Oh, wow. Hold on. This has got some damage that I missed. Tell me if you see the damage yet, though, guys. Tell me if you see the damage. What a beautiful color, too. Absolutely beautiful color. All right. So far, so good, right? Yeah. Yeah, so far, so good. All right. She looks pretty decent, right? Okay. It's time to clue you guys in. I knew that it said top damage. I didn't realize the whole top had been crunched like this. I saw this in the pictures, but somehow I missed all of that. I mean, that is... Yeah, that's that's a wrap. You guys think the door works? I do. I think the door's gonna work just fine. Okay. 37,000 miles. Oh, man. Okay. We're not winning today, guys. Let me open. There we go. There we go. I told you. I told you this door was gonna work. Would you drive this? I don't know, man. I don't know. That's some pretty gnarly damage. That's significant. That is far worse than hail. that is very obvious damage. Let's see what it looks like on the inside here. Oh yeah. Well, you guys probably can't see it very well, but there it is. Yeah. She's a little gnarly in there, guys. But she's got good tires to tread on those suckers, right? It's got a nice interior. You got manual windows, so you don't have to worry about them not working, right? It's a good-looking little car. She is. Let's see if she wants to run. Let's see if she wants to run here. Yeah. There we go. We can turn that radio off there. We don't need that. Oh, dang it, I killed her. Nope, she died, actually, maybe. What is going on? All right. What lights are remaining? Doesn't look like anything. Doesn't look like anything. Looks like she's good. Okay, let's put her in gear. Backup camera works. Very nice. Oh, yeah. All right, so it's not pretty. Who cares? Doesn't have to be. Does this still work? No. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. I was opening it the wrong way. Need a new door handle for it. Aside from that, though, you could drive it. You can absolutely drive it. She's got a good set of Yokohama tires. Since she's got 30-some thousand miles on it, that means the tires were most likely just replaced. There's your little Ecotech, man. Little beast of a motor right there. She sounds healthy. Yeah. What a cute little car. Cute little car, guys. I like this one. I don't know, what are you guys thinking right now? No? Yes? Maybe? It's not that bad. I mean, the roof is really bad. Oh wait, is there no button for this? No, I guess not. Thought you would have stuck your hand in there to open it. I guess not though. Okay, 37,000 miles. It's probably a pure sale. And it probably won't go for that much, guys. And I guess if you really wanted to, if you really felt badly about driving the car around with the top this bad, how hard would it be to just get on the inside and start, you know, just punch it out. Punch it out. Put a heat gun on it, heat it up as best you can, and start punching it out. You could probably get a lot of this to come back, at least better than it is now. Right here, yeah, that's not gonna happen. Same thing over here. This is literally creased. Look at that. That's, yeah. I don't think a PDR guy is gonna get that out. Either way, guys, it's a decent little car, and it's probably gonna go for cheap. There she is. That's it. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to get up out of here. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching the video. If you thought the video looked a little bit better today, well, hit that thumbs up button and please let me know, because if not, then this camera should go back, because she's a very, very expensive camera. Something like $3,500 just for the camera and the lens. So I'm crossing my fingers that there's enough of a difference that you guys are like, wow, the video quality is great. Keep the camera. If not, I'm sending the damn thing back. I want to get a refund. Stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.